How to fix Snipping Tool video recording not working in Windows. Cached files are temporary files stored on your computer to speed up processes. Over time, they can become outdated or corrupted, which might affect the Snipping Tool's performance. Type %temp% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, select all files and folders. Right-click and choose Delete. Restart your computer and try using the Snipping Tool again. If that didn't work, these are built-in Windows tools that scan and repair potential system file issues. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, this troubleshooter can identify and automatically fix some problems with apps from the Microsoft Store. Wait till the process is finished and apply the fixes, then try updating again. This process can revert the Snipping Tool to its default settings, potentially resolving issues. This process can fix potential conflicts or issues within the Microsoft Store's apps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.